just gonna do this, okay? Okay, so you're recording. Don't drop it, okay?
Okay, and then I'm gonna press.
No, it's already going. See, look.
Hey.
Okay.
Hey.
Okay. Okay, ready, go. Take some video. Careful.
Whoa.
Oh, careful, don't drop it.
Daddy, dito pala galing yung mga ano, oh. Diyan, oh, sa mga ganyan.
Oo, dyan. Sa aking, ano?
Wala na, natabunan na yung ating tinanim na crabgrass.
Yun si Wandy.
Ah, there's bull.
Okay, watch for the,
There.
Oh, you're recording. Show it.
kanina ba ito kaya?
I told her to record it so my parents can see the
Okay,
place.
yeah. From that post, all the way over there, and that's the area is the one being sold. We were hoping to buy that, so we can subdivide this into maybe 4 or 6 houses. Ika, punta ka doon sa unahan. Lakad.
Heh.
Ano ba yan? Dali, camera.
Video. Hey.
You're recording still, right? Make sure you show everything.
Because you're gonna show it to your parents?
Yeah, they're oh my god. It's gonna be so itchy. I feel it already.
Hey.
Oh, I feel it already. Oh, it's itchy. Huh?
That's where we put our tent.
You camped there already?
Yeah.
This is my favorite tree.
Yeah. You could put a swing on it. I'll visit you next time and then you could put a swing.
Well, next time we come back, this will be cleared.
Yeah. It'll be all clear.
Ito pa, oh, Daddy.
Put some coconut.
Ang dami.
Ha?
Ang dami mga ganito. Dumidikit yan eh.
Yeah, this summer, I'm gonna have this.
This summer?
Nalala
Maybe
ko.
kaya Uncle Bob see what we would like to do also. We will put a better tent.
In the front?
Basta yung lupa rin doon, alam mo, naagnas din ano. Ay! Papagano. Ha? Oo, yan daw yung ano, undersecretary yata ng Department of Labor. Ang may-ari.
So talagang ang binili niya, yung walang
Good.
puno, ano, para
Talagang